Hey everyone, it's Allie with Colors of Hope Crafts ASMR. Tonight I am going to be unboxing some fiber from Paradise Fibers. And I hope you enjoy it and I hope you find it relaxing and tingly. My husband got me a gift card for Paradise Fibers for my birthday and I just had to use it. And so this is what I picked out. And I can't wait to show you what it is. Because they're my favorite. And they are my favorite colors. Ooh. That's even more than I thought it would be. This is 1 ounce of mulberry silk top. And this is really, really soft. Look at that. And it will be great for adding to bats and roll legs. Because the thing with silk is that a little bit goes a long way. Same with Firestar. So that's the first thing I got. Next one is more mulberry silk. So now we've got 2. And the next thing we have in here is magenta merino top. I want to see if it's similar to this. I'm pretty sure. Oh, it might be. It's very similar to this. So this one is pink flamingo, and this one is magenta. So they're very similar, but this one's a little lighter. Also, I think this one might be woven, and this one's top. So there is that difference as well. Oh, here, I'll let you feel it. All right, and finally, I've saved, in my opinion, maybe the best for last. This is bubblegum surprise. First time I saw it in a YouTube video from a few months ago, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. And I probably would have gotten 8 ounces of this, but I decided to get these two. So I got lots of my favorite colors, and I'm really looking forward to spinning this up and adding this to some bats and roll eggs and spinning it up as well. I think it'll be fun. And I'm tempted. I'm trying to decide. Should I? Do you think these would look good all together? Like one strand of this, one strand of this, or do you think I should save this for bats? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're as excited as I am to see how this spins up. Take care, and thank you again to Paradise Fibers for I hope you're as excited as I am. I hope you're as excited as I am to see how this spins up. And if you want some of your own fiber, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. Oh, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.